University teacher them for inside Douala here. They don't enter for number 2 day for their match wey they happen yesterday. Sabi say since yesterday they don't sit down for inside one place. They say they no go teach again for sicker or work condition where they teach for inside. This afternoon we go take una go to for that side for here when they for talk how we higher poly party where they call them say pap. He don't go see all the people them where they catch them for inside this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Time where they be go, they sabi say na 27 they be there, but they want enter. They see more than 40 people there where they don't catch them for palava for Norwest and Southwest. Inside this story too for this afternoon, we go take una go for that side. So for Bafut na side for Bamenda, Palava roads and Palava highway mayor he don't bring caterpillar where he get for start work all that road them. Auditory plus Palava Robert Mugabe where he dey so person where he get for sit down for chair for half time for see votes he take pass for see person where he go sit down for Robert Mugabe chair. He don't already get for start enter for Zimbabwe. They calling a Pa Emerson now he get for can sit down for half time. For CC all thing take happen. He don't start enter for Zimbabwe. Tori to when newspaper the talk, we go try for talk this afternoon. Big part talk for this afternoon talk say waiting. He say for chats small girl 1 hour he did like a 1 second. But for read big topic for answer book 1 second it go be like a 1 hour. I say for talk for small girl 1 hour it did like a 1 second. But if you want talk take book for it 1 hour or 1 second it go then 1 hour. Country people them we want say big thank you for Gilbert for that side for Enset Bambili for Bamenda for big part talk for this afternoon. I dey come back small time. Good afternoon. We glad plenty for meet up una again for this site for Equinox Story House. First chapter for this afternoon. We take una go for University for Douala here. Number 2 day, as we teacher them for University for Douala, they start make mash since yesterday. Picking them, they know they teach them again. Now for Sika waiting, this teacher they talk say for the past 24 years, they know if you understand say they don't complain say they no get office for shidon for inside for prepare note them for picking them. Governor never hear. They the only prepare note them for picking them and for under treat them for outside. So palava where they talk, they say even palava say chair, day or palava classroom, it don't this small. Say some places themselves they dey for inside university where water them, not for talk for toilet. Technical advisor for Oga Rector, where is the local university just now, he said for true, team where university teacher them for Douala here, they don't ask na correcting, but na say make they come hard, say make they call their heart, say they go see how they go fix up all the palava. Sabi say as we teacher them for university for Douala where they call and say sines, they don't decide say they no go teach picking them when na number 2 day to them. Rector for university for that side so for Douala, day for inside Douala just now. Rector, then na for Bodo Ibo country, na for the way this Sidon, you see as well this palava it take happen for inside the university. We don't just turn to for inside university today. For talk when I say this lecturer them where they don't start this mash since yesterday. For sicker the work condition where they work for inside, they don't so she done to them. They know they teach no picking the way they dey school just now. They the only turn for see how they go ask and say how we go do. So now the condition that for inside university for Douala to them as well take talk. Yesterday they start this work out today too for university. No nothing they happen. Teacher them they say until condition it change. Now that time they go check, say they go sit down for on top one table for start talk say waiting. Teach picking them, say they don't tire for teach prepare note them for under stick. Teach picking them sometimes them too for under stick. So now the condition that or now the situation that for Douala as well take here for university for Douala so country people them. Since we did talk palava strike, make we take una go to for that side for Ezeka again this afternoon. Ezeka side day na so palava vex where council work people then too they don't vex, they don't decide. They say no work e no go take pass for inside council side the country people dem. Tori wey enter we ear for Ezeka council, all the council door dem dey so dey lock. Na for sika wetin mayor e don run enter Sosongo. Who side money wey dey get for pay for the work people dey don dey work since mayor e no dey. Who side people dem say they get for lookout people there they don't can sign their book them. No man in no day. All door them for that side for Ezeka council they lock. Council work people they shit on there only for corner council. They don't lock all office them. They say if they no pay them their money now so them say they no go take style so for work for inside that council for Ezeka. But Sabi say so today no man he never asks or no man no Sabi. Sideway mayor he don't run go. He run now with him money. Ambassador no fit answer that question. But just for Sabi say work she don't quiet for that side so for Ezeka council for Sika palava salary where they never pay work people them and mayor say e no dey dey. We left Ezeka council, we take una go for different sites. Yaoundé, na for there we go land now soon. Now for there we hire Paul a party where they call am say pap. I say no be na pap wey dey drink am for house. But na pap wey na party. He don't go give chop for prisoner people the way they catch them for Sika this palava for Northwest and Southwest. They give them rice, spaghetti, that way they call and say warm, and even granola oil where they go take cook that chop. Even Maggi, he did the suka, he did the small kind thing them. Now anyway pap he carry and go, but they won't carry the chop go so. Now anyway they can't understand say they so number for people the way they dey inside prison. E dey plenty, e even pass 40. Time when they want enter, they be sabi say na for 27 people then, but they want enter for they can't see say the number e over plenty. So inside the palava, pap when a party for higher Paul, it is also talk say if na wait itself. People the way they say they want divide country, and people the way they say they no want divide country, make they sit down for on top one table for talk so that peace if it turn back for Northwest and Southwest. Sabi say pap no be na the first time they enter for Kondengi side for give chop for people the way it dey so they catch them for Sika palava for Northwest and Southwest. Toritu, we enter now for Bamenda site. We take una go for Bafut. If una member fine, we be don't show na this road for that side. So for Bafut, we for Sika condition for roads, people they hear bad for Waka. Yes. Okada too they push am for Sika condition for road. Now road this way normal again for being that road way again for link that ring road where Popo be don't promise say they get for fix and for that side for Menchum, he get for pass on Menchum, pass on Mezam, go for that side for Nigeria, he go for which side again. But certain now roads is still there the same way one at the sea and so they is also push moto. People the way they no fit enter for motor they come out. Okada man say he must to push his own Okada before he take pass. So this condition for roads for that side so for Bafut, it don't worry plenty for Bafut people them. Even mayor them say they work for that side for Bafut. This road it don't worry them. They say if Ngomna he no can do the work, better make them say they check away, they go do the work so that their population they no go the drag motor them so anyhow push motor carelessly as what they call them. So just now solution for these roads it don't happen. Now waiting they don't put them for road. Now them mama na them enter for different chapter for them. Now for talk say Caterpillar it don't enter for inside Bafut Council just now. Yes, Caterpillar it don't enter for Bafut Council. Make we enter for the other image for inside this chapter. So for talk this palava world roads waiting they don't bring them like a solution for look at this road where it don't spoil plenty. If we go for the next story, country people them for talk this palava where they so mayor for that side. It don't bring down a Caterpillar for inside. So if we enter for the next story for see as well this road it gets solution just now for that side. So for Bafut country people them make we enter for the next road country people them we take una go for the other chapter for inside this road for talk say Caterpillar now so it don't enter for this at council area where they call and say Bafut country people them Caterpillar and big tipper it don't enter for them. Now for do waiting. Now for say make the Caterpillar it come for can open roads. It come for can open roads country people them. This roadway don't spoil plenty. If we go for the next story. We take una now so we enter for this other chapter where we talk about this Caterpillar where they enter town country people them. Now the Caterpillar that's where it is so for Sika suffer for roads. It be then a big glad as we mayor and the council people there for that side, they don't decide for buy caterpillar with big tipper. This one, they say the caterpillar go come for can help for greater that roads. Now why that way population for Bafut side, they glad after when they see this caterpillar we enter inside village for that side, so for Bafut, plus even the tipper where it go the carry red ground we go take happen. After they pray on top for say me Papa God, he give them long life, may engine, you know, the fake careless. Libations, except it happen as we chief for that side for Bafut, he come up for country small mimbo on top the motor them, so that he go come for can do the correct work where he get for do. So now so solution he don't come for Palava road for that side. One time motor enter two for Stasia way, he go start open road. All that poto them he must to go. So now so the thing take pass for that side, so for Bafut country people them. Make we take time now so we hear how we people them for Bafut talk after we caterpillar he enter for inside their town.
For a long time, now mommy will papa the give room, we hold and we spread them. But what you make me be happy now because I don't see the caterpillar will be the year every day we never see as we don't see them today. As you say the joy, you don't be for the man can put it on a wider way, the happiness you will come out today.
I'll be very happy because for a long time now we'll be using our holes and the deep roads. We'll be very happy now say we won't use holes again. We'll get now some other solution way. The people will be very happy. Now why that way we see the caterpillar will be very happy.
This Palava where council don't bring caterpillar so I like it. Because the cassava where the work and so. If you are dicker, or quickly get Okada where you pick up for us.
Our person for Bamenda side, Mbu Stella, Jenny Edmond, they be take their microphone to go for mayor him up for that side of Bafut Council. Waiting, he make him for it for come out with the kind idea. Na palava for campaign for 2018. Mayor, make we hear.
We start think about this improvement just as we start this mandate for 2013. And so I encourage councillors to take deliberation for buying this equipment. It only happens, say, long administrative procedures then, and Palava forget money, it be difficult. And so we no be the way we will get this equipment. If we get the money, the time we will plan them, they will don't give the equipment 3 years ago, enough for being now. But if it come now and person way you want things say na campaign or na whatever thing will not be denied. You fight for campaign and campaign genuinely. Campaign na the one way they show your people which way you don't do. No be the one way you talk for more. If we campaign na campaign so for people way we show things we don't do, they may be na so.
Lady ever thought say Sawe Road he pass, now so to development, he go take follow, the place he go take go for before. Now for Sika wider way as we caterpillar enter for inside Bafut, glad he be the day. Make we see her. Yes, Ebidena total glad for Bafut side day for Sika Caterpillar. We hope say the Caterpillar go do work for fixed roads for inside Bafut town. Now, Ngomna, he don't come out some another things, some small brass with some small way they go put them for all picking them hand when they burn them so that they no go fit for thief picking them. Make we enter for this palava for talk this thing where it is on Gomna, minister for sick people them. He don't try for talk this palava. And just now, palava on rope on a something where you go wear them for picking in hand when they just born picking so that people they no fit thief picking them. Sabi said this palava for thief picking, it don't plenty for outside. and for sika this palava ngomna he don't find that thing na the thing that way the sense of that pikin hand na the thing that way ngomna don't bring am say they go put am for on top pikin hand. Thief pikin for inside Douala, thief pikin for Ebolova, thief pikin for Yawende, thief pikin for all corner. It don't too much. So Andre Mama Fudawe na minister for sick people them. He bring this thing with this rope when it time for their pikin hand. He go show the pikin in papa name, mommy name, and all that kind of way. When person he want come up for gate, you must to check the pikin hand. But at the ask question, if person where he come for can't thief pikin, he jump na for fence come out. How they go manage cash am? They no go fit for cash am. So they need for check am. So now they rope that where they go wear am for any newborn baby hand. So that when person wey no be na pikin, he can pass with am, they go check am for gate. Then they go see say, Papa, the one no be na pikin, the one no be na pikin. Sabi say plenty case for the pikin, he don't take pass for that side for Yawende, even for Douala Yem. Ebolova na the headquarter for the people them, for Palava pikin them. So Ngomna, he don't bring this idea where they go tie something for your pikin hand when they job on am. And that thing, he go carry the mama for pikin name, papa for pikin name, and all the other information we need for taken. So when you want come out, gate man, he must to check this thing so that when you see say no na pikin, they fit for cash. So now the new idea that when Ngomna don't bring them, so that they fit cash take people them, one day they enter for hospital only for thief pikin them. We just also ask the question, good idea, but if person he can't thief pikin, he jump fence, how they go manage cash that one? Make the check into where they go fit for cash am, so that if na for jumping fence, they go fit for cash the person. So we go take una go for Zimbabwe. News is still there plenty for Zimbabwe. We na so glad is still so there for Zimbabwe side. After we Papa Robert Mugabe and Grace, they don't last talk say they don't tire for she don't for chair. But the one way sweet plenty na Papa Robert Mugabe. Yes. Sabi say the Papa he don't she don't for chair for 37 years. Now he don't look at Zimbabwe for 37 years. And he no be so one for go for by force pension. Last. After all talk we take happen, after all to take pass, Papa Mugabe he don't last announce he go for by force pension. Person wey go can she done for half time for inside Zimbabwe for look out say vote for get new president. It take pass they calling a Emerson. And this Emerson na person wey Papa Mugabe if he don't send it for by force pension for sika say waiting. If he hate, if he want bring a woman for she done for the position. So just now na the new mandate where they call it say if they so Emerson where they so na one of the person where they so Mugabe they don't send her for by force pension. Now he go can she done for chair for look out to Zimbabwe so they reach for time where they go make new vote for get their new president for that side so for Zimbabwe. And so the country it go for before. Now the Tory then that will take calcium. Now the Tory that way Equinox Tory people they gather for now for this afternoon. Make we enter for Tory way newspaper they talk this afternoon. First one we go enter for day. Now the newspaper where they call them say the info. The info for on top they talk say they don't sabi semi-final draw for Southwest mini Interpol. So for the info they talk say after fire where they put on for Robert Mugabe, he last he don't go for by force pension. For info they talk to again say plenty thing they lost after when National Assembly it take born for inside Yawende. Palava too where they take talk na Palava waiting. Palava soldier the way they give them last respect for inside this Palava. Then for V.E. Mukete, he talk say even as we don't old, if he's also look out people them. Now the thing that we talk as we come back for sick bed. We take on another enter for inside the guidance post. Guidance post where come out today. He talks waiting. Douala university teachers they don't start. They no start 5 days for make mash where they go teach picking them. So for inside the same Tory they try for tell away Mugabe. He don't last listing for people them fire where they put them for his home. 37 years after where she done on top chair like a president, he don't come out. Inside the guidance post, they also talk palava for Norwest and Southwest. Maurice Kamto, he the one say if they no solve problem for Norwest and Southwest, if it change to different level. Another one, they talk say over 250 Central African people them, where if they so they be their refugee, they don't be Cameroonian just now. For inside Nouvelle Expression, one of the top Tory where they write for them, now for that side so for National Assembly. Where they say waiting. People their eye they see open. People they also ask question. waiting a pass with fire, a cash for National Assembly. Nouvelle Expression talk palava strike for inside University for Douala. Then he talked to palava for Kameko as a big man, he don't last talk for inside this arrangement. So, now they told them that when Nouvelle Expression take carry and for this money, the one way come out for today. Now, so we take una enter for another Tory way we enter for inside today. We take una go for Cameroon Tribune. Cameroon Tribune for today. Waiting be the strong number we take talk for day. Cameroon Tribune for today. A talk say waiting. A talk say palava for decentralized. Prime Minister Philemon, he don't talk say waiting. Say anything where they want to, may they do and say all man a chop equal thing. Yes, now they talk that way. Prime Minister he take talk, as well they be talk palava decentralization for that side, so for inside the office. Other small story the day where Cameroon Tribune he take carry and to them. You will never enter for inside. Now for enter for city way he take B for inside. Another story to enter for inside today na mutation. Yes. Mutation. Waiting mutation, he take talk today. Strong number for mutation. He say how way some Cameroonian people them, they don't send them back for inside country. This one, now after the photo where he come out or the image where he come out for outside, palava slave trades for that side, so for Libya. Mutation, he gets other small story them where he take right for them. Last story which will enter for inside today, I will go for the June newspaper. We go for the June newspaper for taxi as we take happen. The June newspaper, it turn back for palava for Norwest and Southwest. He talks everything. He say he try for telling same way people they ask him before palava it changed to different level. Nothing that way the June newspaper talk today. Plus other small story them where he take carry this afternoon. So for that side. Now they told that way we come be them for newspaper sites. They be take talk on the people them. As we take pass, we get palava for announce this afternoon. Person he don't lose again. Make we take una show the photo for this man or young boy where he don't lose. They calling a waiting. Chinchi Joseph, he gets 14 years. Now the young boy that Chinchi Joseph, he get 14 years. And they say this speaking or this speaking. You get 3 picking there for one way or then they don't lose. Make we try for talk soon. Chinchi Joseph, he get 14 years. Wafo Franklin, he get 13 years. And Fofo, he get 14 years. So all the 3 picking them, they lost for number 1 day for inside this moon around 8 o'clock. Yes, where they go for Kribi. And they say all them na school picking them for some college for inside Douala here country people them. They say all them they talk fine for French. So just now Oga Chapnda Chukwe Idibek, any man will see this speaking, make a try for call this thingy number them 674 797 96976 675 878 369, and they say big dash a day for any man. Make we try for take and so as we can for French. We go try. Right, clear fine. Monsieur Chapnda Tchekwe annonce la disparition de ses neveux nommés Chinchue Joseph, âgé de 14 ans, Wafo Franklin, âgé de 13 ans, Fofo, âgé de 14 ans, le mercredi 1er novembre aux environs de 8 heures, en partant de Kribi. Ils sont élèves au collège La Conquête au 3e année mécanique. Ils expriment parfaitement en langue française. Monsieur Chamda prie toute personne qui hébergerait ses neveux de bien vouloir contacter le numéro suivant 674 797 976 675 878 369 contre une très forte recompense. Quand the people then, before we go, we get our last image for now. The new word we don't enter for dictionary. Make we see them. Yes. Make we see the new word we don't enter for dictionary before we come out. Make we try for see the new word where it don't enter for inside dictionary just now. After we Robert Mugabe, he come out for chair. If you see the word, now the new word that where it don't enter for inside dictionary country people, then we take that image for see them. So the new word where don't enter for inside dictionary, they call and say waiting Mugabe. Yes. Make we if we get that image for Mugabe. If we get the image for Mugabe for that site, Okay. A day like say we know. Okay, now in that. So the new talk, the new word we don't enter for dictionary just now. They call them na Mugabe. What Mugabe mean? It deny for commot for power or it deny for go. So when you want to use that talk now for some sentence, you go talk say waiting. As Senam make it go market bet in Mugabe. You understand? Then that girl they divide, but the girl is see Mugabe. You understand? The student they the Mugabe. It means say the student they the stubborn for class. So now the new word that way don't enter for inside dictionary country people. Mugabe deny for go. Yes. Now our image for today country people them. Now the one that we will learn for inside class according to two take C. So now so we take C country this afternoon country people them. We say big thank you for all now one I don't shit down for before television for look Tori. Sabi say we day now for follow Tori as well it happen. If you don't on top table for chop fine. Bon appetit. Ambassador go turn back for some time on a hold am tight.